Let's take a look at our area and perimeter visual. Today we will look at the green portion first. This part talks about finding an unknown side of a rectangle with a given area. So for this green rectangle, the area is given as 21 square centimeters. And they've told us that this side here is 3, and we need to find this longer side, which is a question mark. That means this 3 is the breadth, and we need to find the length. Okay, before that, let's recall that for area, formula is length times breadth. This is for rectangles. Area of rectangle is length times breadth. Okay, so in order to find a question mark, we need to divide the area by the given length of breadth. So in this case, we are given the breadth, and this is our question mark. We need to find the length. Okay, so you see the area is given as 21 cm, divide by what? 3, because they told us that the breadth is 3. And then 21 divided by 3 is 7. So this is our length, the question mark. Okay, so we always divide the area by whatever they've given us, either the length or the breadth, to find the other one. So if they give us the breadth, we are finding the length. If they give us the length, we are finding the breadth. Okay. Okay, let's look at the last part of the visual, which is for squares. Okay, so we need to find an unknown side for a square with a given area. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, we need to find the side of a square with a given area. Now, because this is a square, I'm going to annotate the small markings for all the 4 sides. So we know that all the sides are the same. Remember, we learned that squares have 4 equal sides. So this side is the same as this side, same as this side, same as this side. And we want to find out the length of one of it. So for just now, we said that for rectangles, the area is length times breadth. But for square, because the length is the same as the breadth, we just take side times side. This is the formula for area. Area is side times side. That means one number times the same number times itself will give us the area, right? So it's good that we memorize this whole table of multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, so and so forth until 10 times 10 is 100. So that when we see the area of squares, we immediately know what the side is. So for example, this one, the area is given 64. So we will immediately know that 8 times 8 will give us 64, because for area of square, these two numbers here are exactly the same because both the sides are all the same. Okay, so for working, we write 8 times 8 equals to 64. And now we find out that the side of the square is 8 meters.